Hello, my name is Roy Sherrill, and I'm with thenewsbubble.com. You can see my business card here. I do 360 vertical photography and video, and I'm here to talk to you about this new VR headset, which is the Eagle VR. This is a new headset that I'm going to be importing from China. It's going to retail for about $400. This headset is a Gear VR or Google Cardboard class headset. That is, running the same applications that you run from the Google Play Store. Now, forgive my fumbling around here. I'm disabled in a wheelchair, and I want you to see what's going on here. So I'm going to change something around. You've got the optics on here, which is very similar, just like the Oculus Rift DK2. Now, I took that lens off so that I can show you, the startup screen here. When you first boot up, you'll come to this screen. It's very similar to the start screen for the Gear VR. And you can use this to load apps and stuff directly from the Google Play Store. It comes with a very basic Bluetooth controller here. Basically you've got your direction here for targeting. Then you've got your menu back button. You've got your selector button over here for doing Wi-Fi. And then you've got your volume up and down here and your power on. Now, this is a very basic controller. It doesn't do scrolling options, so that when you're viewing web pages and stuff like that, you cannot scroll with this. What you need to do is you need to push the OK button here, or the power button here on the side where it says enter, and to hold and drag the screen up or down for scrolling. So here on the left hand or on the right hand side, you've got your power sleep button, your back button, and your enter button. This is basically an Android, tablet or Android phone that's built into a headset. Now over here on this side, you've got your menu and then your volume up and down. Now when you're starting this up, you're going to be, loading into, an Android operating system. It's running Android 4.4 currently. Now, let me change this out. On here, you've got a gaze cursor that will move around depending on how you move the headset. You can see it moving up and down, left and right there. Now, it stops at the edge of the screen. So look left, look right, look up, look down to recenter that cursor, and then use the OK button on the controller or the enter button on the phone to select items. Here, if you're pairing it with a game controller, you use the arrow keys here for scrolling up and down, left, right, and then your OK, your A button for select and B button for back. This is a Steel Series Bluetooth controller. I got this at Best Buy for about $50. You can get, other similar controllers that are very basic, very simple, Bluetooth controllers off of Amazon for about $15. You can also get, other things like the little Bluetooth keyboards and stuff here, that I've got. You can get these off Amazon for less than $15. So this unit here is a base unit. It's like the CPU for a computer. Where you've got your tower and then you add your accessories and you customize it depending on what performance you want to get from it. Now I'm going to set this down for a second so I can. Now, you'll see I went into the local option here. And I've got the different menus for the web browser, YouTube, Netflix, settings, and so forth. And by clicking on that little down arrow at the bottom, I mean, I can scroll this down with just the gaze cursor, and I mean, and the enter button here on the side. Or I can use the Bluetooth controller. Here, turn this on. So I can use the controller here. I mean scroll through this. See here. Turn this on. Okay. I guess I may need to go here into the. Let's see. Reorient the gaze cursor. Hang on a second, let me flip this around so that you can see what I'm doing. Go into settings, go into Bluetooth. Still series controller. Next, I mean, I've already paired this previously. So it's connecting. Make sure that this is on. Okay, now it says connected.